Children, today let us see the practice at 3.3 arithmetic progressions. Question number 1, what is given? Already given to us the first term, which we take as T1, or even we call it as A, and the common difference we consider as D, the small d, and respectively it is given means one after the other the value will be given to the first term and the common difference. So find Sn, they said. So the general formula for Sn is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and let us put the values. When it is said here n is not given, so when it is said n, we will write as it is and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in the question it is said find S27. That means in place of n it is given 27. So only Sn, when it is asked, your answer is done. But when it is said 27 means in place of n you are going to put 27 upon 2. 2 into a, the value is 6, plus 27 minus 1 into multiplied by d, that is 27 upon 2. First do the multiplication, children, and the brackets. 2 6 are 12 plus 26 multiplied by 3, again the multiplication first, that is 12 plus 3 6 are 18, 8 1, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 6 1, 7, and this gives us 90. If you add, cancel the things, you are left with 27 multiplied by 45, which after multiplication gives us 1215. Therefore the sum of the terms is 1215, and how many terms are there? 27 terms are there. So let us see question number 2, what is given. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. What is given to us? First of all, right, children, given first 123 even natural numbers means how many total even natural numbers are there. How many total even natural numbers are there means how many numbers are there. Total we have 123 numbers. Now let us write the AP, that is the sequence which is in arithmetic progression. When we say even natural numbers, children, natural number starts from 1, but the even natural numbers, when we say, they start from 2. So our sequence will be 2 4 6 8 and so on, where the first term T1 is equal to 2 and the common difference D will be equal to T2 minus T1, that is the second term minus the first term, which gives us 2 again. Therefore the sum, it is said, children, sum means we have to find Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and n is 123, children. So in place of n we are going to put 123. That means there are total 123 numbers, of which we have to find the sum. Okay, so put the values of A, D and N, what you get after solution is multiplication 2 2s are 4 plus 122 multiplied by 2, that is equal to, what we get is 244, and 244 plus 4 is 248. The multiplication is quite big, children, so please be careful. 123 multiplied by 124 will give you 15252. Okay, hence the answer. What we need is the sum of the two 123 even natural numbers. Alright, let us see the next question. Question number 3. What it says: find the sum of all the even numbers from 1 to 350, children. When it is said from 1 to 350, you have to take first what is given to you. The even numbers from 1 to 350 is, it starts from 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and even 350 is an even number, so it ends at 350. Therefore, the AP is, you have to write the sequence which is not given. It is as 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up till 350. Alright, where we have to find the first term taken as A, that is equal to 2. Second term is 4. Find the common difference T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 2 is 2. And if we see in the sequential and see the last term, which one is the last term we don't know, but it is given. So if we don't know what it is, we take it as a nth term, given as 350. What is not given over here is n. How many even numbers are there from 1 to 350? We don't know. So first of all, we will find n, then we will find the sum of all these terms. To find n, we have to take the Tn, the general form of the Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn, the value is 350, a is 2 plus n we don't know, and d is 2 again. So 350 divide the minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 up. So you get 348 divided by 2 gives you n minus 1, and 174 plus 1 is equal to n. Hence you got the number of even numbers from 1 to 350 is 175. Now we will take the sum of these all numbers. Children, there are two formulas. We can use this formula as n upon 2. The sum of first term plus the last term also gives you the same answer. So in place of n 175 upon 2, T1 is 2 and Tn is 350. Fine. That gives us 175 upon 2 multiplied by 352, which in turn gives us, if you cancel this, we get 176. So 175 multiplied by 176 will give you 38 800. Children, hence the sum of 175 even natural numbers from 1 to 350 is 3800. Alright, let us come to the fourth question, children. What it is said. See, in an AP, what all things are given to us first, right, children? 19th term is given. 19th term, you write it as T19, is given to us as 52. The 19th term is 52, children, but see, in place of n, what is written in this 19th term? 19. So here n is 19, but the 19th term value is 52. Similar manner, 38th term. So T38 is equal to 128, where n is equal to 38. Means in place of n you are writing 38. So they are asking to find the sum of the first 56 terms, but we don't have the first term, that is a, neither we have the common difference d. So let us first find them. Step 1, children, let us see what we can do. Here first of all, when it is a T19, so what is done with T19, let us see. Take the general term first, then take T19, a plus, in place of n19, the value of T19 is 52. So a plus 18d, you got it as 52, the first equation. Let us see what we get with the second equation, that is 38. Again take the general term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T38, a plus, in place of n put 38, and the value of T38 is 128. Therefore a plus 37d is 128. You got two things, children. So let us keep it with us. What we can do with these two, let us see. Now when they say 56, children, see 56, if you are adding these two equations, what we get, let us see first. So add equation 1 and 2. What we get, let us add. A plus a is 2a. 18 plus 37 will give you 55 if you add, and when you add these two you are getting 180. So let us keep it with us. This is one other way to do, children. We have one more method also, that also I will show you. Now Sn, they are asking the sum of first 56 terms. So let us write the general term first, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and here s of 56 means in place of n we will write 56, 2a plus 56 minus 1 into d, that gives us 56 upon 2, 2a plus 55d. And children, see, in equation 3 we have got 2a plus 55d and 2a plus 55d, both are same. So in place of 2a plus 55d we can put 180. So what it gives us, 56 upon 2 multiplied by 180, that is 56 90 times we have to find, we get it as 5040. Your final answer, S56 is equal to 5040. Children, final answer is most important. You have to write the first 56 terms added up to 5040. So let us see the fifth one, children. Find the sum of natural numbers between, it is said between, children. There is, when it is between and when it is from, then there will be two different answers. So you have to be very careful when it is said between. In between 1 and 140 you have to take, and when it is said from, then from 1 to 140 you have to take. Okay, but the number should be divisible by 4, means you have to start the table of 4. 1, 2 and 3 are not divisible by 4, so we will start with 4. Table of 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and so on. Here in between it is said, so we will not consider 1 only at all. In the same manner, we will not consider 140. So the before number 139 not divisible by 4, 138 also is not divisible, 137 is also not divisible by 4. We have to 136, where see the last two digits which makes a number 36 is divisible by 4, so the entire number is divisible by 4. So our last term is 136, but in this entire AP how many numbers are there? Do we know? No, we don't know. So n is equal to a question mark which we have to find. What all things already we have, let us write. The first term we have, the common difference we have to find, that is T2 minus T1, 8 minus 4, that is 4. Alright, so we have to find the sum of the natural numbers between, but we don't have n, and in the sequence we got Tn, the last number Tn we have. So using this we will find the n. The general term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of Tn we will put 136, a is 4. How many numbers are there we don't know, so n as it is, in place of d again 4. So 136 minus 4 gives you 132 divided by 4, and 4 is a 12, 4 is a 12 and 12, 33 plus 1 is equal to n. You got 34, means there are 34 natural numbers in between 1 and 140 which are divisible by 4. Now you got n, so find Sn, that is the general formula n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Alright, put n as 34, so as 34 is equal to 34 upon 2, 2a, a is 4 again, plus 34 minus 1, d is already we found it as 4. Now children solve it. 34 upon 2, 8 plus 33 multiplied by 4 gives us 8 plus 4 is a 12, 4 is a 12 and 13, that is 34 upon 2 multiplied by 140 children, and 2 sevens are 34 multiplied by 70, that gives us 2380. Alright.